Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on TCL 405. And to do this you will need to open any app or website that allows you to scroll down. In this case I chose the settings. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and now we have a scroll option. So click on that. And it will begin scrolling down entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. When it reaches bottom, you'll also need to click on done. And here's a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.